What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Alyssa. I'm here with my handsome man. It's late at night, but we're packing and
6:50.
6:50 here.
You said late at night.
Oh, so that's late for me. Yes, I'm early bed, early to rise. No surprise. I don't know where I put the scissors.
Got it somewhere under this.
I have no idea.
It's right here.
But yeah.
You better stay in one place, please.
As you know, our house is being built and decided to repack the hygiene stuff because most of it is currently in plastic bags and ripping. I am scared that it will rip to where it falls out during transportation, so we are putting it in a box. So, yippee! The joys of packing. Not. Like it's fun, now we're moving, but at the same time, this is a chore. That's all I'm gonna say. What are you doing?
Yeah, go check.
So, now that, okay, there we go. Now that my lovely husband has put the box together, I'm gonna start putting the hygiene stuff. And this is also why I said I'm pausing my Bath and Body Works collection. I have too much. So I'm gonna start with sour gels. Right now we have snowflakes and cashmere and chocolate amber sour gels. I'm just throwing, well, I wouldn't say throwing, but I'm definitely putting them in there. Snowflakes and cashmere and rose jam from Lowe's. This is probably the only thing I'll buy from Lowe's. Like, no hate to Lowe's, it's just not for me. Vanilla Romance, Christmas cookies. Hi, handsome. Is that the little baby girl? Hi, Lola.
So we're putting them straight in the box, or we're putting the bags in the box?
Straight in the box. Ugh,
We're kind of probably need a couple more boxes.
probably. Ugh. Lola. Hi. Look, here's my baby. Well, one of my babies. Trixie is, yeah, hiding.
Trying to figure out the best way to.
If you want, I can hand you a bag and you can start putting stuff in. Okay, so while I'm doing some right here, I'm gonna hand my husband these fragrance mists to put in the box. And I'm just gonna let him do his thing while I talk. And if he wants to comment, babe, if you want to comment, you can. That's your decision.
Okay.
Have Twisted Peppermint and Ghoul Friend. What? Lola. I'm sorry. We also have a little heathen crazy girl here. Perfect in Pink and Bali Mango. Whew. I'm hoping to at least get the bags done. We have. Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Okay.
And all the hygiene's gonna be pretty heavy. I have Vampire Blood, and from the Disney Princess collection, I have Cinderella. Yeah. Hi, Lola. If you're wondering why I'm leaning forward, that's my dog. Well, or as I call her, my little fur baby. Okay, there you go, Lola. We got my Winterberry Wonder and Winter Candy Apple. You need another bag, babe? Okay. Ugh. Here's another one. Thank you, handsome. And to answer, and I don't know if anyone has questions about our marriage, but we have been married since October. Well, we had the wedding back in October, and that's what we consider our wedding thing. We have Sweet Pea and Wakiki Beach Coconut. Ooh, this is, I don't get native a lot because it is on the pricier side, but this coconut and vanilla would be one of the ones I bought again from Native.
How heavy do you want this box?
As long as one of us or both of us can carry it.
Yeah, okay. Because I don't think it'll be. I don't think we'll be able to.
If we put any more, we won't be able to get in the house.
Well, if you care about your back.
My back's already screwed up.
Or we can get one of those things to help it lift up.
I'm fine either way. But I worry about your back, mister.
You're the one who complains about pain pretty often.
Okay, I'll give you that.
Also, what happened to the top of these?
I have no. Well, actually, I went through a phase where I wanted all the legs off of them. I don't know why. Please do not ask. I have no idea. I did weird things.
I think it looks better with the lid on.
Yeah, I'm realizing that now, and I kind of, yeah. Okay. I think that should be enough for this box, because, what are you doing, Lola? Because I don't want us to hurt our backs fully. Okay, we can both lift it up. Here's tape, and scissors, and then highlighters up there for labeling. One box down.
50 more to go.
In a way, yeah. Because we still have the rest of our room, the rest of the kitchen, and all that.
The rest of the kitchen? Question?
Like the stuff we use all the time.
No. It's native. Oh.
Hi, sweet girl.
Bath and Body Works.
Just write hygiene. Does it seriously not work on that?
I need the system off so I can write.
You're good. Life of moving. You've
I
been
guess as long as we can see it.
As long as we can see it, we'll know where to put it. At least we won't have to buy any hygiene for I don't know how long.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry, I didn't mean to put it on the side.
Okay. You good, baby? Oh, poor baby. Well, that's 2 bags and most of this thing empty. Hi, Lola.
Let's put you in a box.
Hey! At least Trixie can actually fit in one. Lola would just hop right out. We're joking about that. We're joking about that.
Heck, you'll be in this box too.
Lola, your tail just hit me in the face. Okay, so hand soap, or shower gel.
Get in this box.
Same. You do realize I'm still recording,
I know.
or are you just that crazy?
You know what?
So are you, mister.
Well, she's over here trying to see what we're doing, and I'm like,
Well, she's also in the frame.
I'll show you what I'm doing. Wait, in
Lola.
the crate? What do you mean in the crate?
Frame.
Oh.
Hi. This is just going to be a packing and puppy haul. At this point, packing and puppy.
P&P or PP.
Sus. But yeah, Lola's birthday is May 18th this year. She'll be 1. You don't like tape, do you? Yeah, she'll be 1 year old. Lola.
Lola,
Lola people can't even see me anymore.
She's good.
Can you go see your daddy?
Almost got assassinated by a highlighter.
By highlighter. Alrighty.
Get in.
Get in, Lola. I don't know if she can actually weld. Hi, puppy pilot.
Okay, I'll lay down.
This is what we're doing on a random evening. I don't even know what to say. I don't. Yeah. She doesn't like that. Oh, hi. Hi, look. Hi. Wait. What are you?
I guess you saw her belly. Anyway,
Here's another bag. This is all loosens. I told you it was a lot, babe. I got gingham. Did it get in your nose?
no.
Got gingham gorgeous and pink tie-dye. Don't let that get on her nose. And you just...
Scared her.
My husband is crazy, as usual. Then I have Jasmine from the Disney Princess Collection, and Always in Forever.
She likes that smell.
Don't let her eat it.
Okay, Harry, hold on. I didn't let her eat it, it's just on her ear. Don't ask how I got there.
I didn't plan on it, but okay. I got Into the Night and Mary Cookie. Okay, then. Starfruit Sangria and Buttercups and Berry Believe. Okay. You love... That's Lotion. Not a beatbox. Well... That's gonna squirt on me if you continue doing that, and I do not want that, please. My husband's a bit cuckoo right now. So, Emily in Paris, Lavender Lux, Forever Red, Vanilla Rum. Got a Lovely Dreamer, and Blue Raspberry Burst. It's so good. Like, I highly recommend it to you guys if you can find it.
What is it out?
I don't know. Bath and Body Works typically rotates their scents a lot. So, depending on popularity, they could take it away or have it in rotation for many seasons. And here's Peppermint Bark Truffle. It's so good. I'm so excited. Then, of course, I have a bunch of hand sanitizers, but I'll wait to put that up. I don't know what's in here. Here it is.
Boardwalk Marshmallow with Clouds.
Yep. That is a really good scent. Now I'm on to lotions myself. Confetti Cake Pop, Winter Candy Apple, Snowflakes and Cashmere, Rose.
You want this back in?
Yeah, because I don't think I'm going to be using it soon.
It's body butter.
Yeah.
You want this back in?
Anything in the bag I want packed up.
The reason I asked is because maybe you're like, oh, I actually use that scent. I'm leaving this out because we're almost out.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. You can leave it out too. Or you want to swap out?
Yeah.
Fair enough. White citrus and hot cocoa and cream. Yeah, pack. Pink Cashmere, Vanilla Romance. And you basically get the gist of what we're doing, so I'm going to end the video here. We're going to continue packing. So, Bye, baby.
Bye, YouTube.
And that is the end. Bye. Oof.